Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of x and y, given that log to base 9 of x is equal to log to base 6 of y, which in turn is equal to log to base 4 of 2x plus y. There are several ways of solving this problem, but the simplest way is to let these three quantities be equal to a constant d. And of course, you know that from this we have that log to base 9 of x is equal to d. We also have that log to base 6 of y is equal to d. And finally, log to base 4 of 2x plus y is equal to d. Now remember that we can write this equation as 9 to the power d is equal to x. So from here we have that x is equal to 9 to the power d. In the same way, we can write this equation as 6 to the power d is equal to y. So from here we have that y is equal to 6 to the power d. And lastly, from here, doing exactly the same thing, we have that 2x plus y is equal to 4 raised to the power d. Now, to find the value of x and y, what we are going to do is to plug in 9 to the power d here where we have x, and plug in 6 to the power d here where we have y. So when we do that, we have that 2 times 9 to the power d plus 6 to the power d is equal to 4 to the power d. You can see that in doing this, we now have one exponential equation which only involves the unknown d. Now, to solve this equation, we will start by expressing 9, 6, and 4 in terms of their prime factors. We know that 9 is 3 squared, so this is 3 squared to the power d. We know that 6 is 2 times 3, so this is 2 times 3 to the power d. And of course, we know that 4 is 2 squared, so this is 2 squared to the power d. Now, of course, you know that we can switch the places of these two powers. When we do that, this equation becomes 2 times 3 to the power d squared plus, opening this bracket, we have 2 to the power d multiplied by 3 to the power d. And this is equal to, switching the places of these two powers, we have 2 to the power d squared. Now, let 2 to the power d be equal to a, while 3 to the power d is equal to b. That means that we can write this equation as 2b squared plus a times b is equal to a squared. And rearranging this equation, we have a squared minus ab minus 2b squared is equal to 0. Now, to solve this quadratic equation, we use the factorization method, and we factorize using the table method. What are the factors of a squared? We have a and a. What are the factors of minus 2b squared? We have b and minus 2b. Now, when you multiply a by minus 2b, you get minus 2ab. And when you multiply a by b, you get ab. And of course, you know that minus 2ab plus ab is going to give us minus ab. So we have that the factors of this equation are a plus b and a minus 2b. And of course, this is equal to 0. And you know that this equation simply means that either a plus b is equal to 0 or a minus 2b is equal to 0. From here, we have that A is equal to minus B. And from here, we have that A is equal to 2B. And of course, when we divide both sides of this equation by B, we have that A over B is equal to 2. Now look at this equation and remember that A is 2 to the power D, while B is 3 to the power D. So this equation simply means that 2 to the power D is equal to minus 3 to the power D. But of course, you know that there is no real value of D, which is going to give us a negative outcome. So this equation is unacceptable. The only equation that we need to solve this problem is this equation. So from this equation, we have that 2 to the power D divided by 3 to the power D is equal to 2. Of course, you know that we can write this as 2 over 3 to the power D is equal to 2. And to find the value of D, what we do is we take log of both sides of this equation. So we have that log₂ over 3 to the power D is equal to log₂. Now let us apply the power rule of logarithms to this left-hand side. When we do that, we bring down D, that is the exponent of 2 over 3, to the front of this log term to become a multiplier. When we do that, we have D times log₂ over 3 is equal to log₂. And of course, when we divide both sides of this equation by log₂ over 3, we have that D is equal to log₂ divided by log₂ over 3. And finally, now that we have found the value of D, all we need to find the values of x and y is to go back to these two equations. So we have that log₂ base 9 of x is equal to log₂ over log₂ over 3. And of course, you know that this simply means that 9 to this power is equal to x. So we have that x is equal to 9 to the power log₂ divided by log₂ over 3. And exactly in the same way, we have that log₂ base 6 of y is equal to log₂ over log₂ over 3. Once more, this simply means that 6 to this power is equal to y. So we have that y is equal to 6 to the power log₂ divided by log₂ over 3. Now, using a calculator, we can evaluate these two values. We have that x is approximately equal to 0.0234. And we have that y is approximately equal to 0.0467. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more videos here.